Hi, welcome to Davenport Business. This is a teaching resource for Junior Cert Business Studies students. The idea behind the website is for students to use as a resource to aid their understanding of particular topics covered within my classes. The website will also be updated regularly with new content as we move along the syllabus. It has been designed to make it as user friendly as possible and for you to be able to navigate it around as easy as you can. So, for example, the topics has been divided into the 3 strands of business. For example, personal finance, enterprise and the economy. We have a discussions board and an about page. Also within the home page, we can link through from here by clicking on one of these links, and then just about if you need to contact me. So we'll look at one of the pages now. The page Enterprise. So on this page it just gives a description of what enterprise is, what's covered within the strand, so enterprising, forms of business, entrepreneur, skills and characteristics of entrepreneur, and then at the bottom we have resources. So if we click through the website, so Enterprise Ireland, then further again we can download a PDF, so this will be a crossword. Back. And then if we go to the discussion board, we'll see that this week's topic is household budgets. So hopefully you get benefit out of this resource, and just remember it'll be updated